CoorsTek is a great company to work for. It's a great company because the employee is always at the top of the priorities for the organization. My name is Claudio Arriaza, and I'm a compensation manager here at headquarters in Golden, in Colorado. What I do is try to identify the right pay for the different jobs that the organization has in order to attract the right candidates and to retain the employees in those respective jobs. I regularly meet with our human resources business partners and leaders of their organizations to address challenges that may be facing. I assess their jobs, I assess their needs in order to come up with a solution when they need to add additional skills to their respective functions. What I like the most about working at CoorsTek is that we have a clear strategy. I know what I need to work on in order to accomplish what the leaders of the organization are trying to drive. To me, that's invaluable. And also, the value of working for a global company, for a true global company like CoorsTek, is something that you don't have the opportunity to do every day. The only way that you can be successful in a company like CoorsTek is working hard and always try to provide your highest level of contribution, because I know that will be rewarded by the company.